Howdy folks, how are you today? Hump day. Getting ready to head over to the shop with the truck so we can get some things done. It needs a DOT. Got some tires I had ordered because I wanted a matching set with the steers because I had a screw into one, so those are finally came in. It's been like a month and a half. Get those all replaced. Brand new drives. Leaky seal I'm gonna get replaced too. And oil change needs DOT because every 6 months for the company I'm leased to needs to be done. So I'm gonna cut you out here, cruise down the road a little bit and then cut you out. And then we are going to get over there and get this thing taken care of. I'll probably come home and just leave it there while they do the tires and stuff. Who knows who's gonna do them, so, and how long it's gonna take. But I doubt I'll sit there all day. Oh shit, I'm gonna go grab something real quick. So, hold on. Shop. I'm gonna run in real quick and talk to the gal and see what they want me to do first, and talk to the mechanics here and see how they want to go about doing this. So until then, we will see you. folks, got the old truck in the shop here. Let's see what she looks like with these tires off. Heat virgin drive's coming. This stuff needs to be cleaned up here shortly. I'll tell you that much right now. I'll have to do some painting on it. That is getting ready to get changed right there, because that is not good. I'll tell you that much right now. But hopefully in a couple hours here, she'll be back on the road. Well, not on the road today because I'm off until Saturday morning. That is what I'm talking about. Big money coming at you live. Oh, got the old truck in the shop here. Oh, drove the big wagon over, did you? Yeah. Some tires on it. Had some issues changing out that seal. When they pulled that seal out, there was one of the bearings was shot, so I had to run and get one of those. The truck's been over here for a couple days, but they're about done with it. They got to change the oil still, but check out these tires, man. These things are freaking nice and clean. And yeah, this thing right back here had two bearings up in there and one was shot, so they had to replace that, take that whole thing apart, which was fine. Rather have it fixed than not fixed. That's always, you know, one of those things. So I'll have to get this thing home. I'll be able to paint these wheels now, sex that up, get some new lug covers on there, hub cover on there. Oh, I'll have to get me one of them fancy zip ties up there. I got that broken ring up there that holds that air thing down, but honestly I don't think that moves at all. Got a razor blade on the tire there. I was cleaning off the old DOT sticker. Fresh DOT sticker, can't beat that, always nice. So the truck is about done and ready to roll. Probably need to get a hold of the dispatch and let them know, but I guess if I don't work tomorrow, it's what it is. I don't work tomorrow, so hang out with the old lady and do some stuff. Brand new tires, those things feel good, man. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Wow, mom. Can't beat that, folks. Purist of the trash. Well, I guess when I get this done and I pull it out, we'll take a look at it then. So until then, you know what we say. We will see ya. Well, folks, there she is. Getting ready to ride out of the shop here. I'll let the air build up since that's buzzing and pissing around. Let's get some light on this thing, man. I'm gonna have to give her a bath, at least wash these up. I'll be able to paint these, which is fantastic. Since I got all this stuff, get some of that rust and shit out of there. Sex these up. This is gonna need replaced because, well, it's rusty and old. And I want some new ones, and I got some different caps for it. Other than that, I like the way it looks. Finally got the same size tires on, waited a month and a half. Everything looks all right. New valve stems on there. That's all fresh and taken care of. No more leak down there. That's what I'm talking about. Fresh DOT, so I'm good for another 6 months because that's what my company wants, a 6-month DOT. Even though it's a year, if I sold this truck, somebody else would be able to get into it, just do whatever they wanted to. So that's what the doctor ordered. Bill, I'm telling you right now, the bill was healthy, but is money well spent because I know now I got these tires on there, so she's going to run pretty good probably. So that is going to conclude this episode because I'm getting ready to roll on home and get me some beer to drink. So until the next time we do something fun or crazy, you know what we say? We will see you.